poppin' with you? Thank you for clicking this video, and you already know what we doing today. Now today I will be cooking different kinds of meat spaghetti with garlic bread, as you can see. Now I forgot to do an intro, so that's why I'm reversing it back. Okay, basically this is going to be like an easy tutorial, very easy, not that hard, and I'm gonna make sure I explain it correctly to you guys, because I want you guys to try it, but I don't want you guys to be lost in the video. So I'm gonna try my best to explain it, everything I do. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I also will be including the things you guys will be needing right here, and I also will be enlarging it so you guys can see much better and know exactly what you want to do, so you can know exactly what you got to get, just in case y'all at the supermarket and y'all need to make it bigger and y'all trying to do this recipe, food, whatever. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we're just gonna get right into the video, and that's just on period. The ingredients you guys will be needing: hot sausages, and then I have pan sausages. You will be needing spaghetti noodles, whatever kind you want, the traditional tomato sauce. I have 2 of these.
And I have Italian style meatballs. But first I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the water for the noodles. Then I'm gonna go ahead and spray my coconut oil on the pan that's already heated up to start cooking the meats. While the sausages are cooking, I'm actually gonna go ahead and take my noodles and put them in the water and let those boil while the meat is cooking. So what I do is take 2 or 3 hands full of noodles and actually break those in half and just sit them in the water. So as that sit to the side, I actually just break down the sausages and make sure everything is getting cooked thoroughly. That is like the ground beef type thing, but I'm also using hamburger meat, so you'll see that later on in the video. Then I'm actually just cutting up the sausage and taking off the little clear skin that be on there that is not healthy for you. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. The clear skin is actually very easy to take off. You just poke it a little and then start peeling it off. So as I take off all the skin, I actually just dump them in the same water that the noodles in so it can boil. But I'm also putting it in a frying pan with all the meats at the end, so you guys will see that in a minute. So just stay tuned, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and click that notification button because it's there for a reason, of course. So after the sausages boiled, I actually just took them out and put it in a frying pan so it can cook with all the meats. And I just started checking the noodles as well. So I started frying all the meat together. And once I got all my meats cooked, I actually add the spaghetti sauce and let that sit inside the meat and just move it around. And while that's boiling and cooking, I'm just gonna go ahead and drain my noodles. Now using this boiling pot, you actually gotta shake the noodles out because it could get stuck to the pan that's on the bottom. Now that the sauces and meat is done, I actually let it sit for a while and then actually just start making my plate. So I put the noodles first and then I actually add the sauce and the meats. So in a second portion of this video, I will actually be cooking the meatballs and the hamburger meat and mix it all together and using the sausages. So I will be doing a voiceover towards that, but this is actually what I'm going to be eating. Okay, now that I'm going to be cooking the meatballs and the hamburger meat and the sausages all together, I'm actually doing the same steps from the beginning. I'm just going to go ahead and let them cook, and I'm going to put a lid on top so it can really get into it. Once the meat is really cooked, I add the tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, whatever you want to call it. Comment down below if you guys call it tomato sauce, but that's what I'll be doing, and I'll let that sit as well and let it boil. So once the meat started cooking, I just added the tomato sauce, let that sit for a while, and once it was done cooking, I pull it out. And then this is actually how it looks. Then I went ahead and started cooking the garlic bread. I put my coconut oil on a pan and I made sure it was on high so it can melt the cheese And then I just let that sit until I seen the cheese was melted all the way. Then I started working on putting the noodles inside the meatballs and everything and just mixing that up while the garlic bread was just cooking. So as I had the spaghetti ready, I just went ahead and checked on the garlic bread. It was done. So I went ahead and made my plate. Look at all that cheesy goodness just dripping. That's the ending of the cooking part. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the mukbang part, explaining how I feel about the food and how it tastes. Yeah.
Okay, you guys, basically this video was like, okay, I want to try different kinds of stuff. So I put sausages, meatballs, and hamburger meat inside my spaghetti, okay? And we're just gonna try it out because I never did it like this. I always did it like separate, sausage and spaghetti or meatballs and spaghetti. So we're gonna try it out. And then we got some garlic bread. Okay, I'm sitting on my bed because yeah. Okay, this is the comfortablest I can be. Okay, I got spicy sausages, y'all. Wonder how that's gonna go. Oh, okay. It's hot, but once you start eating the first time, it don't feel like it's hot, but it's gonna kick in. Look at this food, y'all. Oh, okay. I made it better for me. So I'm gonna just sit on some more pillows, okay? So yeah, the sausages, I have regular sausages and I got spicy sausages. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's burnt because I was trying to get it to melt with the cheese and it was taking so long. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all. Then we got meatballs, and then the regular sausages is just the pan sausages cut up, so it's all throughout the spaghetti, okay? Now these are sweet. I like it. I'm gonna just go ahead and rip off the burnt part. Comment down below if you guys like my cooking videos and if I'm explaining them right, because I do want to start doing cooking videos and I'm gonna do my best to explain stuff right, even though I feel like in my mind I explain it right, but sometimes people don't understand what the hell I be talking about. So I be trying. I want to do like every month cooking video, but honestly I be wanting to record everything. Y'all probably be like, look at this girl, she recording everything. Yeah, I know. Once I move, I don't know if I'm gonna be, I don't know how my, like, versus now to then. I don't know exactly how I'm gonna be posting on YouTube, but I'm gonna try because I am gonna be getting a job and everything, so I'm gonna try to work that out. And I know I can do it because, like, when while I'm in school, I still do YouTube and I edit like the same day. Like, I'm just that focused on stuff. Like, I manage my time real good. And I'm just so blessed God made me like that, because if I didn't manage my time, I wouldn't be able to do nothing, okay? So that's why when I get schoolwork, I do it exactly when they give it to me. So I can have free time to actually record and, you know, edit my YouTube videos. So that's how it works. But I'm going to have to figure out how I'm going to work around with the job and the school and YouTube. But I know I can do it. So if you guys think I can do it, comment down below. Cheer girl on, because you know I think I can do it. Okay? Matter of fact, I don't think, I know. Dang, these meatballs get me full. The garlic bread, I should have made that from scratch. I bought the garlic bread and it's too much garlic. Okay? And then I freaking burnt the bottom. I should have just put it in the oven. But when y'all making y'all garlic bread, just put it in the oven. It tastes better. And then it don't taste burnt on the bottom. And if it do get a little crispy, it don't taste like that. So put it in the oven, okay? Okay? It tastes better in the oven. Everything tastes better in the oven. Ooh. I've been drinking more water than lately. Like, every day I drink water, but like more than usual. Like, I stopped drinking sodas and stuff. Like, that makes sense, right? Because I usually drink water every day, but I'll be like sliding juice in and stuff like that. I just stopped because I feel like, I don't know, like during like towards the summertime, my face and stuff start breaking out, and I hate that. So I just stick to water and like doing my little facial routine and stuff. Yeah, so I need to just stick to that. That's why I like winter, spring, stuff like that. I don't care. But summertime, yeah, sis gotta stick to water. I gotta be dehydrated, okay? I gotta be hydrated. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video out. I hope you guys learned something. And if you guys did, comment down below what it was. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed making it. Of course, I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Click that notification because it's there for a reason, of course. And we're gonna go ahead and sign out. I will include pictures and videos at the end of this video. Ooh, girl, crumbs. I would include pictures and videos at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. And I'm out. Peace.